nk'uko bivuze amateka ni ikintu gikomeye cyane. Rero ni match dufise na Jamus, ni equipe yavuye mu itsinda rikomeye abantu batari babiteze. Harimo uherutse gutwara igikombe cyo mu mwaka cya Sekafa mu mwaka wa rushize, bari bafise equipe nkuru nka Simba tumenyereye mu marushanwa ifise novuga palmarès nini cyane muri Afrika, bashobora gusohoka muri purara bambere. Ni ibintu byatangaje abantu benshi, ariko ubu mu mupira nta kintu na kimwe kidashoboka. Ibintu bakoze vyerekana yuko ari ikipe ikomeye, vyerekana yuko match itazoba yoroshe. Natwe rero turiteguye cyane kuko ni ekipe ubona yuko nyuma yuko dukina match amical yahinduyemo abakinyi presque nk'igice cy'abakinyi, bari renforcer bazana abandi bakinyi. Rero nibaza yuko ni match izo bimeze neza kandi izo bikomeye. Ariko natwe rero nka Rayon Sport turiko turitegura, turiko dukinira mu Rwanda imbere ya public yacu. Nibaza yuko tuzokora ibishoboka byose kugira dushobore kwisezerera. Ni match twiteguriye, ni match nkuko nabivuze, ni match zo bikomeye. Abantu benshi basuzuguye ama equipe kubera amazina. Nibaza yuko harimo za Singida na za Simba babonye ama surprise. Ntibari bazi yuko Jamus ishobora gukina umupira, ntibari bazi yuko Jamus ishobora kubiya mbere muri groupe. Rero twarabibonye, natwe yatubire experience kuko mu mupira usuzuguye ibintu novuga ubipea cash, kuko equipe zibiri nkuru zari ziteguriwe muri championnat zabaye zisezerewe na Jamus iyo yigasohoka muri groupe. Ivyo abantu novuga abantu benshi batari biteze kuba tuzokina na Jamus. Harimo umukinyi w'umunyarwanda Muhire Kevin, azi Rayon Sport neza, yayibereye kapiteni igihe kinini. Nivyo ni umukinyi ari professionnel, azokora ibishoboka byose kugira equipe y'ibitsinde. Azoba partager experience afise muri football yo mu Rwanda. Azi n'ibintu byinshi muri Rayon Sport kuko naho yagiye ntiyagiye kure cyane. Nibaza rero yuko natwe turabizi yuko match itazoba yoroshe, ariko natwe tugiye kubikorera ko en conséquence. Natwe tugiye kuraba ibyo dutegerezwa gukora kugira turabe yuko iyi match tuzoyitsinda. Jamus ni timu kubwa kwa sai, naweza nikasema ni timu kubwa juu imeweza kuondoa timu kama Simba na kama Singida. Ni timu mbili zilikuwa watu walikuwa wanazingoja sana katikati ya semi final ama final, lakini Jamus imeweza kufanya surprise ikatoa hizo timu mbili zote. Ni kusema sasa ni mechi itakuwa iko ngumu sana. Wako na mchezaji ni captain wa Jamus na alikuwa captain wa Rayon Sport muda mrefu. Ni mchezaji kwa na experience kubwa na anajua vitu mingi ndani ya Rayon Sport. Kama joueur profession atatafuta jinsi yote ya kufanya juu timu yake ishinde. Sasa najua pako mbinu fulani anajua kwenye Rayon Sport atatumia juu apate ushindi. Akina sisi tutafanya nguvu zote zinawezekana juu tuweze kuondoa.
Last one, Mr. Star.
Ni mechi yenye tunajiandaa kwa nguvu sana. Ni mechi yenye tunajiandaa kwa nguvu sana juu tunaenda kucheza na timu kubwa na timu ngumu. Tukirudia nyuma kidogo, unaweza ukaona ni timu imeweza kutoka mkundi lake na ni ya kwanza ikiwa inacheza na timu kubwa za barani Afrika. Tukirudia kidogo, ukiangalia mwaka jana, iwe Singida iwe Simba, ni timu mbili zimecheza makundi kwa competition za Afrika. Ni timu kubwa, lakini ekipe ya Jamus imeweza kuzishinda ikatoka mkundi ni ya kwanza. Ni kusema wamefanya kazi kubwa, wamefanya kazi ngumu, wakatoka group yao ni wa kwanza. Ni mechi sasa, na sisi tunajiandaa kama Rayon Sport, ekipe iko nyumbani, ekipe iko inachezea mbele ya wafans. Bye, tutafanya nguvu zote zinawezekana juu tuweze kuishinda. Kwanza tuanzie tournament. Ni ekipe ya Rayon Sport inaendi na kuwa kwa mechi. Gizi tumeanza na mechi ya Zanzibar, ekipe ya Zanzibar. Gizi tumeimprove kucheza kwa mechi ya Tusker, kufika kwa mechi ya Al Hilal na confidence imeshapanda. Kushinda mechi ya Al Hilal imetuonesha, imetupatia naweza nikasema na confidence ya kuenea juu tuweze kuingia kucheza na ekipe ya Jamus. Tunasema kama tuko na bahati ya kuweza kuiondoa kwenye mechi yenye tutacheza nayo. Kwa hiyo naweza nikasema tuna expecting sana ya kushinda match na kuweza kucheza final.
And that's because of the coach and, his team. So, we trust them very much, and that trust that they have in us is that drive. And he gives us that resilience to, again, we were down 1-0 last game, but that resilience from the boys and the willingness to be able to, everybody doing their role, playing their role, and, it takes us there. And, you speak about the fans, and it's always a pleasure to be able to see the amount of people that just rock up, especially when you're not at home. So yeah, the fans have been amazing, and they've always been there, and they're the reason why we push so hard to get that result. When we're 1-0 down and then coming back, and then you see the joy from all of them. So it's definitely a privilege, and one that we can't take away, that the fans are always behind us, and yeah, we can't take that for granted, and we want to go all the way and win this thing, take it to the final. We were seen as, I guess, underdogs, but we've got a lot of fight in us, so we're definitely ready for tomorrow, and inshallah we push and take the cup home back with us.
The last one. Okay, Katie.
More than a boost. Kevin's been amazing for us. He's an amazing player, and everybody knows him here. We've gotten to know that, and he's an amazing person as well. And what we've been able to, take from him being here with us is, he's got information that a lot of the other teams don't have. On the Rayon Sport, he was here, and he was the captain, and he's a very big player, and he's very well respected. And with that respect comes a lot of, you get that pride where it's like, oh, you have him, involved in a group, around our group. So, being able to have him means we have tactics there, I guess, or like we got some knowledge of, of like what might be going on in the game. So, it definitely helps us, and it gives us that boost. And again, he's an amazing player, and he's been doing really well for us. So, just having him there, it's sort of giving us that boost as well to take us as far as here as well. So, yeah, it's definitely a privilege to have Kevin in our team.
Thank you very much. Of the whole team. So we are going to have him. First of all, how ready are you?
First of all, thank you for having us. And yeah, I'm always ready. I can't lie about that. And what's more important is the guys in front of me, and like I trust the most. And when you have that trust, you know, they trust me a lot, and I trust in them. So I think tomorrow we're just gonna step in and yeah, just show the world what we got in South Sudan. So it's very nice to be able to carry the flag on our back and bring it here and be able to, you know, compete.
Yes, Jack.
Yes.
Good afternoon. First and foremost, you know, how we've seen so many fans, South Sudanese fans, turn up for the matches.
Yeah.
What's it been like just seeing them in the stands, and how important